range is also Western Ghats, sir. There's no space in between to pass through. So they made an artificial pass, like they cut the mountain in the middle, sir.
Okay.
So they made a pass. That's how we go to Nagarkoil actually. This side we are going to Kanyakumari, sir, actual beach side. That is the Nagarkoil city, sir. That's it.
Okay.
20 kilometers.
Nagarkoil city is big, huh?
Sir, Kanyakumari is the district, sir. But central part of Kanyakumari is Nagarkoil, sir. It's very crowded and congested.
Congested.
Yes. Roads are very ill maintained, sir. Traffic everywhere.